You know, I tell people with dividend stock strategies, 3 to 4 is the range. So when I hear you say 3 to 6, I'm impressed. You know, what are the most important keys that our viewers need to know if they're going to try to find dividend-paying common stocks at 5 or 6%?
Sure. Well, there's a few fundamental things you need to look for.
Okay.
The price to earnings ratio, or the valuation in a stock, and check that not against the current market, but against historical valuations for the stock, just to see, where how pricey it might be right now. You want to look at the dividend yield, and again, that's against where it's been in the past. Has the dividend yield kept up with the stock price? What we've seen in a lot of stocks right now, especially consumer staples, that the stock price has surged so much that the dividend yield has actually come down because management hasn't been able to keep up with that stock price. So the dividend yield has fallen. You also want to check the price performance on a stock. If the dividend yield is exceptionally high, is it just a function of a falling stock price, and the dividend hasn't yet been cut? We see that in a lot of companies that get into trouble. The dividend yield spikes, investors pour in after that yield, and then are ultimately disappointed by a falling dividend.